Produce a detailed tutorial on professional portrait retouching techniques that go beyond basic blemish removal. Focus on frequency separation, an advanced technique that separates skin texture from skin tone, allowing independent manipulation of each. Demonstrate proper skin smoothing without losing detail or creating artificial-looking results. Cover selective sharpening, using high-pass filters for texture enhancement, and maintaining natural skin pores. Teach color correction specific to different skin tones and how to enhance eye clarity, brighten teeth subtly, and refine facial features proportionally.